TBMC Team Building 2023.
Building stronger teams.
Team building refers to the process of bringing together a group of individuals who work together toward a common goal or objective and fostering their collaboration and cooperation to enhance their overall performance. It involves various activities and exercises designed to improve communication, trust, problem solving, and interpersonal relationships within the team.
The primary purpose of team building is to strengthen the bonds between team members, develop a sense of unity and shared purpose, and enhance the overall effectiveness and productivity of the team. B. Team building activities can take various forms, such as outdoor challenges, problem-solving tasks, workshops, retreats, games, and simulations. These activities often encourage teamwork, communicatio.
Team communication. One of the greatest answers for team building is fostering open and effective communication among team members. Effecti.
Lighting up the night sky. Everything looks prettier with a bonfire glow around it. There's nothing quite like a bikini and a bonfire to get you in the mood for sweet, sweet summertime. All I need.
For listening and watching, please subscribe and share. This is Safety Sherwin by Poe.